So this is the Coleman Signal Mounted Instant Pop-Up Tent for up to 8 people. We've just taken it out of the bag. Now we're unfolding it. This tent has some really neat features. You just pull it open until it pops in place, snap it together, and you do the same all the way around. Just like that. Everything's already included all in one. And then we'll do that on all 4 sides, and then it'll be ready to stake. So now we have everything set up, and we've got all the guidelines set up, so it's going to do great.